Today, I'll be showing you the Xcruit Intelligence Admin Portal. This platform allows administrators to manage the website's content, articles, advertisements, homepage sections, media assets, and AI-generated content, all from one place. Let's start by logging into the system. Enter your username and password, and click Login. First thing you're going to see is the dashboard. After login, we land on the dashboard. This gives us a quick review and overview of the platform. Here we can see the total published articles, draft articles, email subscribers, advertisements that are running, and below we can see the recent subscribers who decided to join our platform. On the right side, you see the Quick Actions section, which allows us to quickly create articles, take actions on advertisements, and manage sections. The dashboard gives administrators a complete snapshot of what's happening on the website and allows them to take quick actions. Next is Master Settings. Now, if we look at master settings, they contain the basic data that are used across the entire website. For example, the announcement bar is a section that's used to manage the announcement message displayed on top of Xcruit Energy website. We can update the text, add a redirect URL if needed. And for example, if we want to announce a new feature, promotion, or even promote a conference that's upcoming, we can do it from here. Next is affiliations. The affiliation section is used to manage partner companies and industry associations. Here we can add partner name, upload the partner logo, add a website URL if needed, and then set display order based on the partner importance. These logos will appear on the website showcase trusted partners. We move on to testimonials, and this is a section that's used to manage customer testimonials. We can add a person's name, designation, testimonial message, profile, image, and these testimonials will help build trust and credibility for the website visitors. They also show on the front end. The tag master here is going to allow us to manage our articles and easily filter through. For example, energy policy, oil and gas, renewable energy. Those tags make it easier to categorize articles, search, and manage them. We move on to manage ads. This section is used to manage website advertisement. We can configure advertisement from here, name, redirect URL, and position as well. Display order as well is set up from here, and we can have a start date and an end date for the advertisement image based on the campaign that we plan to run. Currently, we support sidebar, footer ads, and the system automatically validates image dimensions based on the selected position, which is a great feature to have. If we move on to home settings, start with manage sections. Sections are the main content categories shown on the website. For example, news, events, industry, updates. We can define section name, slug, description, display order, and we can also mark a section as featured. SEO settings are also managed from here. You can manage subsections as well from here. They allow you to organize content further. For example, news to oil, gas, news to renewable energy, news related to power sector. This is all subsection related and can be managed from here. It's going to help visitors navigate content more easily. And just like sections, we can manage visibility and SEO settings, as well as add articles directly from here. Now let's look at the most important feature of the platform, article management. To create an article, we select section, subsection tag, and then enter the title, the slug, the short description right after that, and then the full content of the article. We can set an article to featured, home featured, or premium based on the agreement and what we want it to show. We can also show the publishing information such as author details, publish date, media library, and all that is managed from here. One of the key features for the platform is the media library. Instead of uploading images repeatedly, we can manage all images from a centralized location. We can upload local images if we want to, and then search also external providers that are integrated into the system. The system automatically crops images, resizes them, and reuse existing images if needed. This saves so much time and keeps media organized across the platform. Now let's move on to one of the most powerful features, the AI content generation. Inside the article section, we have an AI assistant that's built in. The process is very simple. First, choose an AI model, then enter a prompt describing the content you want to create. For example, write an article about renewable energy investments in the Middle East. Click Generate Content, and the AI automatically creates article content based on the configured prompts. And the AI model then generates content that can be reviewed, edited, and published. This helps content teams create articles much faster. You can also view articles. This page allows all articles available to be viewed in one place. From here, we can search articles, edit articles, delete articles, or publish and unpublish articles. Everything can be managed from a single screen. This makes content administration very easy. Under the AI configuration section, you can manage which AI models you're using, the AI settings. You can configure also prompts and prompt rules, and these settings control how AI generates content and how it behaves throughout the entire platform. This gives administrators complete flexibility without changing code. Finally, we have the admin settings that allow us to control who has access to the platform and manage user roles and permissions. This ensures that each user has only access to the modules they are allowed to use. See how the article approval process works, for example. First, I'm going to log in as a normal user. This user has permission to create and edit articles, but cannot publish content. Typically, this goes to someone who's in charge of our content but has an approval layer. Let's create a new article. We start by selecting the article section, subsection, and then the tag. Next, we enter the article details, such as title, short description, and then the author name information, as well as SEO information. For the article content, we can use the AI assistant to quickly generate content automatically. I simply enter a prompt, select the AI model, and click Generate Content. Within seconds, the AI creates article content which can be reviewed and edited before publishing. Next, we select the images using the integrated media library. We can either upload a new image or choose an existing image from the media library. We can also search external providers and import images directly from there. Once everything is ready, the user clicks Submit for review. At this stage, the article is automatically saved as a draft and cannot be published by a normal user. This creates proper content governance and approval control. Now, let's log out and log in as a super admin. As a super admin, I have access to publish and manage all submitted content. Let's open the Manage Articles page. Here, we can see the article that was just submitted by the user. Notice the current status is set to draft. The super admin can review the content, make edits if required, and then publish the article. After verification, I simply click Publish, and then the article is now live and available to display on the website. This approval workflow ensures that all content goes through a proper review process before being published, maintaining content quality and consistency across the platform.